How to buy or order from Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you buy or order any products on Amazon. So let's get started. First, open the Amazon app or you can open it on website. Simply after you open browser, search for amazon.com. Now after you open Amazon, make sure you are logged in with your account. After that, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the top, in the source field, you can search your product that you want to buy or purchase. After you find that, simply you'll have to just look for the reviews and prices. After you find your desired one, simply tap on add to cart. Now from there, you can open your cart. For that, simply tap on cart icon at the top right. Now from here, you can just proceed to checkout. You can add multiple products to your cart. Simply tap on proceed to checkout. From here, add your delivery address. After that, you'll have to also make the payment method, like how can you make the payment for that. After you confirm there and enter your all of the details and location, you'll be able to just order and product from Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.